Stand here. Let me look at your head real quick. Look, face me. You're pretty good. You're confident that's your space? Yes, sir. Okay. Just take a quick look. You gotta come just a little bit closer. That's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. Put your hands down. So your head is shearing a little to the left. Maybe a little right tilt. You have a shear and your tilt is trying to come back. It's pretty small. Your temporal bones are off. I just want to see if that changes after I work on you. So the big thing is that your left ear is higher than your right.
So temporal.
Left side superior. Otherwise, everything's really well balanced. Your head is slightly shearing and slightly tilting, and I can see your hip is rotating right side anterior.
Strap is always tight. Might be trapped.
You got a hip tilt, right side low. You might have a right leg short. It's small, but I think it's there. Part of your issue is that I think your right leg is short. Maybe there's something going on with the arch, but
Yeah, I broke my. You sprained this ankle, broke it, whatever, and
Okay.
now it's weak and kind of unstable.
so maybe that's part of what's happening there.